What's up, guys, and welcome back to Thinny's Garage. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper steering stem bushing on a Honda Recon. Let's get right into it. First thing, here is the steering stem bushing. I picked this thing up real cheap. I think it was like 10 bucks on Amazon. It is right up here. If you can see, it is all cracked and peeling off and like breaking off, brittle. And there is some play. It's going to be hard to show you guys, maybe. But there's some play in that bushing causing play in the steering. So it should be a really quick fix. All we're gonna need is a 12mm socket. I'm using a long one so I can get to it from the underside here, and basically, and a ratchet obviously too. And then really, I think that's it. Okay, it might be a little difficult to see, but right up there is a 12mm bolt. That's the one we're going to be taking out. Well, there's two. There's one on each side here, and you should be able to access them from the front up here. It's the easiest way to get to it without having to take all the plastic off, because I don't want to do that. So loosen those two nuts, bolts, whatever they are, and pull them out. It also looks like you need to, mine was already off. This brake line right here is pinched onto that little bracket. You're just gonna have to pop that off and get it off to the side. So maybe we could put it over here. That way you can pull the bracket off once the other bolt is off. I got one side off, so now I need to go to the other side and do the other one. As soon as you take that other bolt off, this bracket literally just slides right off. As you can see, there's pretty dusty, there's no grease in there. And there is our bushing up there. We're going to have to peel it off. It should be split down one side, and I'll show you that on the new one. So you should be able to just pull it right off, hopefully. Just so you're aware, the bracket on the back side comes right off. I did not realize it would, but it does come right off. And I was able to get the bushing off really easy from up here. So I think that's the best way to do it. You can kind of push the steering stem forward, and the whole steering stem here pushes forward, and you have access to peel this old one off of here. Here's the old one, and I'll pull this new one out so you guys can see. Here is the new, nice, flexible one, and here is this old one. You can see the top part. It's really brittle, it's stiff, and it definitely needs some grease. So I'm gonna go ahead and grease this inner part up along with the outer part here, and then I'm going to put it back on and essentially put the bracket back on. And there is an arrow on here because it goes up like this, so don't forget to put it back on the same way. I'm gonna go ahead and slip it on after I throw some grease on here and put the back bracket on, and then maybe add some grease to the outside, and then the front bracket here, clean it up maybe a little bit. The same with the back bracket, it's on the ground right there. And just like that, our steering stem bushing and bracket is replaced. Now, I was really generous with the grease because there is no grease zerk on this. Some, foilers do have a grease zerk right on there where you can replenish the grease, but there isn't one, so I just was very generous with it. All over, the inside, outside, everything. I'm gonna wipe away the excess, and I do not know the torque specs for these two 12mm bolts, but if I find them online, I will list them on the screen now. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this one. Hopefully it was pretty quick. It was really simple, easy to do, and if your upper steering bushing looks like that, it's time to replace it. This thing's pretty brittle, it's no longer got any flex to it, and obviously there was no grease in here. So, it did stiffen up the handlebars a little bit, but it looks like there's still some play down in the lower steering stem bushing, the actual bearing that's down there, the lower steering stem bearing. So it looks like that's going to have to be replaced eventually. But that's going to be it for this one. If you want to help support my channel, use the links down below in the description. They're affiliate links. Give me a little kickback, no extra cost to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing. Like this video. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.